First and foremost, give thanks to life and the mighty life giver, you know? How good and how pleasant it is for us brethren to sit and sistering to dwell together in peace and love and unity, you know? There is the precious ointment upon the head that runs down to the beard, even Aaron's beard that went down to the skirt of his garments. As the dew of Hermon, as the dew that descended upon the holy hills of Zion, for the Lord commanded his blessings, even life and love forevermore. Most High, Celestial, Jah Rastafari. Yes, my lad, let's see now Rastafari movements, you know, Exodus, interpret movements of the people. Together we walk, together we talk, together and I wash one another's feet. Some people say we have no need, but I know we are doing Jah Rastafari will and commandment, you know. Because you see, you know, Jah, it does a gathering of I and I self, and so we live from day one, new, under the sun and under the moon, you know. And we praise the heavenly God, you know, a flash earthquake, lightning and shook thunder, so we just go and live, and I'm happy with Farah, you know. And 2 times stay, my lord, you don't know, and I make I word the few, you know, because you don't know, it's one aim, one objective, and it's repatriation out of this desolate and barren land. Ethiopia, yes, Egypt, Jamaica, no. And I can't give away a continent for an island. So you don't know a motherland, and Ethiopia stretch out our hand to and we are the same. So peace and love, calling our sons and daughters with us. One Rastafari. One Rastafari. Love God. Love God. Rastafari to I alive, you know, because when I say Rastafari I mean head, Tafari I interpret creator. Before you even rise, you hear the rooster them say it. Jah Rastafari, I see it, a earth rightful ruler, so I'm responsible for the birds of the air, the fowl of the field and the fishes of the sea, so all things praise Rastafari. Nature, so I'm alive, you know. Rastafari and I life, and I way of life. Yeah. Significance of dreadlocks, you see it? I just tell you of the holy nation. So I must say Israel is the holy nation, Rastafari, dreadlocks there and identity. When you look now, you see, a man will identify and I by our father name, because him sons and daughters shall call by his name. So when I say Rastafari, you see it, and I father get praise the same way. You see it? So Rastafari is the head creator name. Head creator. You know, so it's very significant because, you know, prophecy and history and even show and I say this man I go born to come rule the throne. You know what I mean? Ever living father, Prince of Peace.